Saginaw Nouvel Catholic Central High School took a moment at tonight's football game to remember the people they've lost over the past year.
Let's take a moment to celebrate the impact Mr. Marciniak has made on each one of us with a great big round of applause, as he would want.
This includes Tim Marciniak opting for a moment of applause rather than silence, principal of the school who passed away early this morning after a battle with cancer.
He just was always there for them, and I think the fact that I agree with him that we're here tonight. I spoke to the football team late this afternoon and said, you know, you put it up, go out there and play for Tim, because he loved you guys, and the last thing he talked to me about was this team. He wanted me to pray for you, so I think going out there and playing a game for him tonight is just what he would want you to do.
Marciniak spent more than 3 decades in education, known for his dedication, kindness, and leadership. The school is providing support for those affected by his passing.